Hi guys, it's me and Lenny's visiting with me today because we're talking again about Rowan. This is our new obsession. So every month, Rowan comes with this package in this cute little box and you get a journal, this really cute journal.
I'm gonna be writing that.
Okay, so Lenny's gonna write, and this really cute pen that has a flashlight. It also comes with an earring. Every month is a new earring. All sterling silver or gold vermeil, and it's hyperallergenic, so everything is good for your ear. It's good for sensitive ears. So tell me the favorite thing about Rowan.
I like how the earrings are always different and they always have a meaning in them. Like some of them show power, some of them show how girls can rock a style. They're all really different and cool the way they are.
Yeah, Lenny lost her voice because she wasn't feeling so well, but she's getting better. She's writing her journal, and what we like about this, come back, don't leave me, is we get to talk about it, right?
Yeah.
So we get to bond over what the theme of the earring is that month, and then Lenny gets to write in her journal, and then I get to like read what she wrote, and she wrote, Rowan is really cool.
I'm trying to write it backwards.
And then she's writing Noir, C, Yelir, Luke, which is Rowan is really cool backwards. So if you want, go check out Rowan at heyrowan.com or Instagram at heyrowangirl. I also have a code, so use my code. Get this gift for somebody for the holidays. It's great, and it's the gift that keeps on giving. We're Rowan girls through and through. Bye, have a great week. We love you.